Hello everyone, this is Bidaska Salam from Pest Media, and in this video let me show you how to deactivate your header design or footer design with Elementor page builder. Let's just say you have designed, or someone designed a header for your WordPress website, and you want to change it. You want to deactivate the header design with Elementor, and you want to use the header of the theme. Then you have to deactivate the header. So mainly this is for the beginners. Many must have also know this, but for beginners who do not know how to deactivate the Elementor header, this video is for you. Here you go to the theme builder, Elementor templates, go theme builder, and go to the header template, edit with Elementor. Here you can have save options. Click on the save options. Here you have display conditions. Click on the display conditions. Here you have to remove this display conditions to deactivate the header or footer template. If you remove this, then and save and close, now the header or footer design with Elementor page builder has been deactivated. So basically you have to remove or change the display conditions to deactivate the Elementor header or footer. And I hope this video is helpful to you. This is mainly for the beginners, and if you find this video helpful, please click the thumbs up button, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. Thanks for watching again. Have a good day.